Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the SHIB update today. So SHIB is just a little bit of a very slow kind of a mover right now, but at least it's moving. Okay, it's moving, it's doing good. So we have SHIB and we have Bonk, which is another, I think, is it Bonk or is it Bon? Actually not Bonk, but it's Bon to USDT, and Bon as well is finding a lot of burns. So we do have a pattern with Bon, so I just want to make a very quick comment about it. You may actually consider trading Bon in the next coming few days. You might be looking for a very big push up here for Bon, which is almost 52% move to the upside right there. So Bon and the SHIB, they're kind of linked to one another. You can see it's Bon and Shiba swap, right? So these two are kind of linked. We may say that Bon is a meme coin of SHIB, even though SHIB is also another meme coin, so which is kind of funny to me. And now we go on the 4-hour time frame here, and you're pretty much looking for that technical target I talked about before, which is 1144. And as a matter of fact, I've given this free trade on my Discord. A lot of people were able to get the entries yesterday down there. And you know what? Listen very carefully. Number one is, if you're not following this channel, do make sure you're following. You may miss my channel in the future because I'm doing these updates now regularly that the market is good. Secondly, when you are in doubt and when you don't feel very good, because when you look at a move like this and certain things like that, zoom the damn hell out. Go to the daily time frame and zoom out of the charts. You're going to see satisfaction. Okay, you're gonna feel amazing when you look at SHIB. So if I do remove all the drawings, my goodness, man, look, SHIB is actually down right over here. Zoom out, look at the bigger picture. Let's say SHIB continues to go like this, so what? Okay, and I mean, that tiny line that I just drawed went all the way down to 600 and 500, which is a 50% move down. But when you zoom out, it actually doesn't make big difference because it's still a price that we people can be getting in. Now, I'm not very sure if this is the place you should be pumping, and you should, because that's how Bitcoin has looked like. Bitcoin has moved up. I kind of feel we might start getting this much of a move at least, okay? So 2578. 2000 level from 1000, maybe another 2x coming in from here for SHIB. So yeah, somehow I do have a feeling that something like that may just come in. And that's it for this very quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.